Todd, Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Make sure you read the label.
From Carter Hall. Now, being the DC nerd that I am, you know that I know who Carter Hall is, right?
I know who Carter Hall is too.
Good.
Look at your paper. How cool.
This is the most awesome paper imaginable.
Okay.
Not only do you have Aquaman, Wonder Woman, Green Lantern, Superman, Batman, you got Flash and Cyborg.
Okay.
So, all the new Justice League is on here. So, who could be in here? Carter Hall.
Carter Hall? It's from Carter Hall?
It's from Carter Hall.
Wow. Gift from Carter Hall.
Wow. That's awesome. And it is. He's a little narcissistic because he gifted me himself. Which is like really cool. This, of course, is my favorite character in the DC universe, Hawkman.
Yes. Okay.
And his wife, Hawkgirl.
Yes.
They are both awesome. This is awesome. You have seen...
Look at that. You like it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I like that you're 55 and I'm still buying you toys.
I love this. You kidding me?
We're such nerds.
He needs to come out of the box, though. I need to put the wings on.
It's fine.
Makes him so much better without the
He
wings.
can come out of the box.
Hell yeah. He's on the shelf. This is awesome.
Well, I'm glad you liked it.
Oh, yeah.
But wait,
I love it.
but wait, honey.
But wait, there's more.
There's more.
I got this cool package from Boris, and people know that
Boris.
we collect matryoshkas.
Yes.
So we went to
yeah, look at them all.
we went to Chris Kindlemart a week after my lovely wife and her mother went, and I was admiring the matryoshka tent and all the things that were in there. I thought this would be cool to get a hold of. Well, she was kind of like, "Yeah, I think you'd do really good at making that." Little did I know that she had already picked it up, and I get to make.
It's a kit to make your own
matryoshka, and this is going to be awesome because
I think it's five pieces inside.
I don't know. I can't really read Russian.
But it's all in Russian. I know, but it's to
six.
Six pieces. 6 pieces.
So this is going to be a lot of fun making this.
I'm excited.
And it's going to go up there.
I'm excited to see you design your own matryoshka.
Yes, this is going to be a lot of fun. I just got to translate this from Russian.
I just think it'll be great, and I know how creative you are. I think it's going to be so much fun.
It's going to be fun. Yeah, we're having some fun with this.
Yeah, cool. Merry Christmas,
and
baby.
And the cool thing is, you realize he's giving me the finger.
He's giving you the finger. He's strumming a guitar.
I think he's giving me the wrong finger, though.
No.
Yeah. Well, it's still cool.
Merry Christmas, baby. I love you.
Thank you. I love you. This is wonderful.
So this one is from where? From who?
Scrap.
This one is from Scrap.
Scrap.
Oh, okay. Let's see. What did Scrap get you?
Oh, that is so cool.
What did Scrap get you?
You got me a nutcracker in the shape of a robot. Right? Right. Is that right? Is that right?
There you go.
That is absolutely awesome.
Is that the coolest thing?
That is the coolest thing.
Yeah, did you ever see a robot nutcracker?
I have not ever seen that.
Look at
that. Is so cool.
I think he's cool. Here, show him here. He's so cool.
He's very cool.
Yeah. The tradition continues.
Yes. This is
6 years now.
Awesome. Love it. Every one of these things is absolutely awesome.
Okay.
And this is so different.
It's so different, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's very unique. I love it.
Yeah, sorry, I should have gave it to you the card first. that last. Guess I'm gonna get mine open then, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Love it.
We're going to see Little River
Going
Band.
to see Little River Band.
Did you see the seat numbers?
I saw
101, 102.
right in the front then. Unobstructed views.
Sorta.
Hey, I'll take it. This is wonderful. Thank you, honey. And the best thing is, I get to see it with my best friend and my best love.
And you know what was really weird? We are so in tune because you know what was really weird? Friday, you came home from work and it's like, hey, my boss is telling me I have to use vacation time. What do
Yeah.
you think about going to Lancaster? And do you see where the concert's at?
Yes, I do.
It's in Lancaster,
Lancaster in March.
in March.
So it means we're going to go out for a couple days beforehand then.
Would you like to go with me for a 3-day weekend
Hell yes.
to
3-day
Lancaster?
week. I'll go to a 4-day weekend if you want to.
Okay. I love you so much.
But yes, I love you too, baby.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too. Wait do you see what Santa Claus brought you?
I know, I can't wait. My turn next.
Oh yes.
Rudolph.
Rudolph.
Yeah, Rudolph.
Awesome. Rudolph got you a present.
Rudolph got me
Did he draw on the front of the thing for you?
No.
Yeah, he did.
Where?
Look at the name tag.
Oh! He put his nose, bright nose. He put a little heart on his. Aw, that's so cute. I love that you do that. Look at what you got!
What is that? What did you get?
Ronald McDonald.
Ronald
puzzle?
McDonald puzzle.
Oh my god!
That looks very old too.
Oh my god, what year is it?
The box itself is worth it.
1984.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, Ronald McDonald. Look, it says McDonald's on the side.
Awesome.
Puzzle. Oh, thank you. The amazing Ronald McDonald. He is amazing.
Awesome.
I love him. Oh, thank you, babe.
What you got, hon?
Olive the other reindeer.
You got something from Olive the other reindeer.
Olive the other reindeer.
Yes, Olive is the other reindeer, yes.
I got a gift from Olive.
The other reindeer, yes.
All right, what did I get? Olive got me. Oh, look at this. Olive got me slippers.
Did you want slippers?
I wanted slippers. Oh,
Did you
Olive.
want bright, fuzzy pink ones?
I did.
Awesome.
It says Merry Vibes.
Merry vibes.
Merry Vibes. Thank you, Olive.
The other reindeer. All right, how much you got there?
Okay, next one is from Babs, Tippy, Penelope, and Phantom. And it says to Mom.
The cat's got Mom something,
Hey, you guys got Mommy something for Christmas?
apparently.
You got toys too? Do you get toys too? Yeah, you got toys too. Alright, let's see what you guys got me. No way!
Way.
These are the pajamas. Got me the pajamas to match the babies.
You know how much I wanted to say something this morning?
Oh my god.
Purely coincidental, but it worked out really well.
Got me the pajamas to match the grandbabies.
Mm-hmm. I didn't get anything. The cats got it for you.
Oh my god.
They overpowered me, took my wallet, and grabbed my keys and ran out of the house.
These are the same pajamas the grandbabies wore today.
Yes, they did.
I have matching pajamas.
You do.
Oh my god.
So when
Thank
when they come over for a night over, you can all wear the same pajamas.
Oh my god. Thank you so much. Thank you.
What you got there, Renee?
I don't know. Okay,
What-
it says from to Renee from Todd.
Okay.
But then it says STSIN.
ST. Maybe it doesn't say quite that.
ST. Wait. Stein?
Yeah.
In
Stein.
the hot dog bun, it says Stein.
Yeah.
Why?
Open it up.
Okay. We have to reuse these boxes for shipping.
I know.
Oh my god! You got Frankenstein and Frankenstein's bride bag.
Now, on the front of the...
It's my lounge fly bag.
Yeah. On the tag itself.
It says shockingly cute together. Look at it. It says shockingly cute together. It's a lounge fly. Oh, it's a lounge fly bag.
On the tag.
It says Stein.
What is it, though? It's a hot dog or a...
Frankenstein! Oh my god, you are so great. I got a freaking... Oh my god, where did you find this? Where did you find this?
Norfolk.
What? What do you mean, Norfolk?
Virginia Beach.
You got this in Virginia Beach?
Yeah.
Where did you get this at?
Bella.
You got this at Bella Books?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wait, I was there. How did I not see that? You are sneaky. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so... Oh my god, look at it. Oh! It said, it says Frankenstein Universal Monsters inside. Oh my gosh. Oh babe, this is so cool. I got 2 lounge flies today. I got one from your mom and dad, and I got this one. Oh, I love it.
It's cool.
Oh my god, I love it. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I love it.
Thank you.